Welcome to Backyard Broncos. My name is Carlos, and this is my new YouTube channel. Hello and welcome to the Backyard Bronco. This show's about me bringing this Bronco back to life. This show's for the novices and don't know where to start, don't know where to begin, and need a lot of help. I need a lot of help. So we're gonna build this. We're at the beginning of the build. We're at the beginning of the project, early stages, and I'm gonna need your help. And hopefully, this gets you guys to get started on your project. Anyways, let's get this bad boy started. So today we are building the Bodycart. Homemade Bodycart. I could buy one, but where's the fun in that? We got a cart. We got a body cart. So hopefully this video helps you out with your project. If you're gonna build a body cart, it's fairly simple. Don't overthink it. Some simple 2x4s, 4x4 in the corners. I had an extra 2x8, and I purchased some casters at Harbor Freight, $6 each. That was my biggest investment, and the screws, the hardware to bolt everything up. Yay! We're all finished. Stay tuned for next week when we actually, did I say next week? The next episode. Stay tuned for the next episode when we actually figure out how to get that body on this cart, and let's see if this bad boy could hold up. Why wouldn't it hold? I built it. Duh. Hey, if you guys have any comments, concerns, or just some feedback, I'd greatly appreciate it. Even negative comments are a plus. Keep it rated G for some kids maybe watching this. Just keep it classy, guys. If you guys want me to do a particular episode, I don't know. Remember, I'm in the early stages. No, email me. My email should be on my YouTube channel. Let me know. Thanks. And that's it for Backyard Bronco. Haven't subscribed yet? Please subscribe. We're at the beginning stages of this build. Why not subscribe? I'm gonna throw out a video once a week. It's just 10 minutes a week. You can subscribe to me. You can see my pretty face. I think it's pretty. Anyways, subscribe. Subscribe to this show. Once again, thanks for watching the Backyard Bronco.